Low Lunge. From Tadasana, step one leg back into a high lunge. Place your palms on the floor beside your feet. Back knee down on the ground, front knee is aligned over your ankle. Circle the palms down, around, and up over your head. Take the shoulder heads back and open across the chest. Pull your belly off of your front thigh bone by engaging the core. Lengthen your tailbone down. Hold the pose and take 5 slow, full breaths. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Place your palms on the floor beside your feet. Step your front foot back to come into high plank. Change sides.